Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Ahluwalia, for a nice talk. We'll take 2 questions because we are running short of time. We have 2 more talks before lunch, so we have to finish that. So 2 questions.
Yeah. Otherwise, you can talk to me. I am here today also. Yeah, please.
It's not related. Like from the morning, I was trying to talk. Because we are running out of time every time, I couldn't make it. But it's related to the topic we are here. So we are saying that after BSc, the student is not able to get a job. And in NEP, we have an element where we are trying to provide an opportunity of internship. And NEP says, let's start it from 8th standard. So if we, school, colleges, and industry come together, for example, 8, 9, 10th, 11, 12th can come to college labs for that project kind of learning process. They get exposed to physics in physics college, get exposure to chemistry in chemistry college. And these college students, since 11th standard, they even can go to industry, 11, 12. So maybe many students just get into engineering because of peer pressure, because of parental pressure. But if they are exposed and they get a taste of it, maybe, like I had students who wanted to do BSc physics. I'm a physics teacher. But parental pressure, he got into IIT Hyderabad. He did a CS. But today, he's in MIT doing physics PhD.
Actually, ma'am, there is one thing which I would like to underline. I think there were one word which was mentioned in many ways, mentorship programs in the country. On our IAPT, we have a forum where you can come and register yourself as a mentor also. We are trying to, reach out to industry, to higher education institutions of national importance. कि please आप हमारे ना portal पे आओ, become mentors, so that when even college teacher says, I have 200 students in my class, how many projects I can do for my students? Can we really provide them a kind of a directory of the mentors who are ready to come forward and help us? I think that is where one of the very important things of this workshop is networking. How do we network? That is a way to network with the things.
Thank you. Yeah, last question.
So the Utter Innovation Mission has a lot of mentors already posted out there, and they really want to work with students and entrepreneurs and those kind of things. So maybe that would be a good connect for even IAPT to reach out to Niti and talk to them that whether you could have an access to those mentor lists, so that what ma'am has suggested, so that that link can contribute to the school system, and
yes.
Ministry of Education can come into picture. So just a suggestion on what.
Yeah, actually अभी तक क्या हो रहा था, देखिए हमारे पास जो मेंटर बन रहे थे वो कौन थे? +2 में पढ़ाने वाले ट्यूटर्स हमारे मेंटोर की तरह आ रहे थे. Whereas we never wanted that it should turn out to be a kind of a platform for tuition business itself. तो हमने फिर मेल्स भेजनी शुरू करी हैं लोगों को, दी प्लीज़ बिकम पार्ट ऑफ इट. Maybe we will send to ISERs कि आप आइए, आप हमारे even mentors cannot be just teachers, but senior undergraduate students, postgraduate students can also play a role of mentorship. We should not really look at that in the before the name of the person, professor should be written. They can be better mentor also. So this is something which we are trying to do.
So just to add on this point, so there's a NGO in Kerala supported by Kerala Startup Mission. It's Tinker Hub. So all the recent passed out who are working in industry or in colleges, so they have this passion to teach to students what are the skills that are needed in the at the corporate level, at the job level, not what been taught in the education. So they are exploiting that model very nicely, supported by government mission as well. So what they are doing is that they have opened an open access laboratory kind of thing I know it is for engineering domain, but still some clue can be taken for the science domain. So they have provided all the, if you have to design your own drone or learn machine learning, so you can go access the resources there. And the mentorship would be provided by the recent alumni of your colleges or someone who is around. So that model can be, I'm just pitching it as an idea here, so that model can be replicated for the science thing, where we have a localized cafe kind of thing where, science things are available, mentors are available. As I mentioned, like Neeti has a list of mentors who really want to work with students. Startup India Mission has a lot of mentors list. So somebody,
there is one thing, there is one thing.
Ecosystem can be created if we have,
There is one thing which I can mention. Our website is a truly dynamic website. It is not a set of static pages. If you are a member, you can log in and you can really post your content on our website. The only window which we have created is admin will see whether it is relevant or not. Then we approve it and it becomes available to everybody to see. So we want, IAPT should be a kind of a leader in bringing the changes which are desirable in really making a success out of national education policy. I think we can stop.
Yeah.